हाय एवरीवन। सो आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि आप एक परफेक्ट बेस कैसे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, आपको फाउंडेशन कैसे लगाना है, कंसीलर कैसे लगाना है, ब्लेंड कैसे करना है, सारी चीज़ें इस वीडियो में मैंने आपके साथ डिस्कस करी है। बिकॉज आज की वीडियो में सिर्फ और सिर्फ जो फोकस मैंने किया है वो है हमारा फाउंडेशन बेस, दैट इज मेकअप बेस। सो या इफ़ यू गाइस आर इंटरेस्टेड दैन प्लीज़ कीप ऑन वॉचिंग। ऑल्सो ये जो आई मेकअप है ये भी मैंने रिकॉर्ड करा है जो मेरे चैनल पे जल्दी अपलोड होने वाला है, बट आइस के पहले हमें बेस बनाना सीखना पड़ेगा एंड आज की वीडियो में हम वही डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू नाउ लेट्स जंप इनटू द वीडियो.
Hi guys, so today we are discussing about key points for creating a flawless foundation base. Primary step is to prep your skin. Cleanse, of course. I have already cleansed my skin, but again I am using micellar water to clean out all my dirt. In this prepping your skin process, moisturizer is the second most important thing you need to do. If your skin is dry skin, I would suggest you to double moisturize, like use any cream based moisturizer after water based moisturizer and then use primer. And for oily to normal skin, use any water based moisturizer like Pond's Superlight Gel, which I am using today, and follow up with any primer. For glowing base, you can either use strobe cream or Lumi cream or illuminating primer that will help you out in giving that glowing flawless base. And today I am using Mamaearth Lumi cream, which gives subtle look after full makeup. Next step is to conceal and correct. Use corrector like Inside Makeup Essentials Pro Concealer Palette, and it's for concealing, correcting and contouring. You can use this concealer palette to cover blemishes, dark circles and any areas that need extra coverage. This product is affordable yet effective. According to my skin, I need coverage under the eyes, around the mouth and on forehead, of course, because my skin is uneven in these particular areas. I'm not using any external blender here. Instead, I'm using my fingertips to blend it thoroughly. Third step after skin prep and correcting, it's foundation. Always choose the right shade. Select a foundation that matches your skin tone for the natural look, and here I am using L.A.GIRL Pro Coverage Foundation in the shade Nude Beige, that is perfect for medium skin tone. Again I am using my fingertips to blend it out roughly, and then I'll use the blender. So use any makeup blender, brush or finger to blend the foundation evenly into your skin, paying attention to the jawline and hairline, because many a times we skip those areas and later on we realize when someone say, oh, your foundation is not well blended. So yes, you need to pay attention to these areas, and here I am using the Real Technique blender. This one is like little bit not so affordable, I would say, like it's for $7.99 something, but it's totally worth it. Now you can see how the foundation is getting penetrated into your skin. And also apply foundation in thin layers, building up coverage gradually to avoid a heavy or cakey appearance. And remember, tools matters a lot. Choose the right tools, brushes or blenders for your preferred application method. And don't forget the neck area, otherwise your face and neck will be from two different family, and of course you don't want that. Next step is concealing or highlighting. Don't use too much of concealer, otherwise your base will look cakey. Use a very little amount of concealers on the highlighting points of your face, under the eyes, nose bridge, near your lip area and forehead. And as I said, right tools matters. Yes, here you can use any mini blenders for under eye areas, because it's quite difficult to blend it with the help of a beauty blender under the eyes. And again I am using a beauty blender for the eyelids. So yes, I am using two different tools here for the proper blending, and you can use it according to your need. Also, always try to do your makeup in natural light to ensure proper color matching and even application. Otherwise what will happen, your makeup will look from the different family and not from your skin family. Now use a translucent setting powder to set your foundation and control excess shine. And whenever you buy a translucent powder, always check the powder particles. In the affordable range, I'll recommend you Makeup Revolution translucent powder. It will set your base for a longer period of time. And remember, practice makes perfect. Experiment with different techniques to find what works best for your skin type and desired finish. And here is the result. Our base is done and these are the close-up shots. I can see some fine lines under the eyes. For this you need to follow the baking process. After blending under the eyes, take a generous amount of translucent setting powder and apply it directly on top of the concealed area. Using any fluffy powder brush, the powder should be applied in a thick layer, creating a baked look. Just wait for 5 to 10 minutes. During this time, your body heat will help the concealer and powder to set, allowing it to melt into your skin for a smooth and crease free finish.
सो गाइज दिस इज़ द फाइनल लुक. मैंने उसके बाद आई मेकअप भी कंप्लीट कर लिया था. सो ये बेस मेरा ऑलमोस्ट 2 घंटे से ज़्यादा हो चुका है. ये अभी भी बिल्कुल भी इधर का उधर नहीं हुआ है. लाइक ऑलरेडी अभी बज रहा है 6 एंड मैंने ये मेकअप स्टार्ट करा था 2 बजे के आसपास. लाइक मैंने वीडियो बनाना स्टार्ट करा था एंड इट्स ऑलमोस्ट मोर देन 2.5 आवर्स जब मैंने मेकअप पूरा कंप्लीट करा है. सो यू कैन सी द एक्चुअल मेकअप. लाइक अगर आपको थोड़ा और पास से देखना है, सो दिस इज़ हाउ. सो या दिस इज हाउ माई फाउंडेशन इज लुकिंग राइट नाउ. ये मैंने L.A.GIRL का यूज़ करा है. एंड ऑल्सो इफ यू वांट अ प्रॉपर वीडियो ऑन फाउंडेशन, लाइक ऐसे कौन से फाउंडेशन है जो मेरे फेवरेट है, प्लस ऐसे कौन से फाउंडेशन है जो आप सेल्फ वैनिटी में ऐड कर सकते हैं, तो फिर टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. आई डिस्कस दिस पॉइंट्स इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. एंड यार आई मेकअप के लिए आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो मिल जाएगी. टिल देन आई सी यू गाइज इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन कीप स्माइलिंग. बाय.